Hi there, Mrs. Lohoff here. This one is going to be a short video. If you watched my video and you really understand how to add fractions when the denominator is the same, when the bottom number is the same, subtraction is going to be really, really easy. Let's take a look. If it'll change pages, there we go. Thinking about it, there we go. When you are subtracting fractions, just like in addition, you have to look at the denominator. The denominator is that bottom number in the fraction. Here we have a problem, 7/8 minus 3/8. The denominator is 8 for both of the fractions. That means we can subtract just like we added by keeping that denominator the same, 8, and then this time subtracting 7 minus 3, which is 4. So 7/8 minus 3/8 equals 4/8. Now you might be looking at that fraction and saying, hey, Mrs. Lohoff, I think I can divide the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, by 4 to get a simpler fraction. And you could. In this example, they didn't. 4/8, if you're thinking how to put it in simpler terms, would be the same as 1/2. Let's look at a couple of examples. Like I said, this video is going to be very, very quick. First, when we have fractions that we are subtracting, we have to look at the denominator. In this case, the denominator for both fractions is 11. It's the same, so we can go ahead and subtract. Our answer will also have the denominator of 11, and our numerator will be 6 minus 2, which is 4. So the answer to 6/11 minus 2/11 is 4/11. I've got one more example. I made a bigger denominator this time just to show you don't have to be afraid of big numbers. Our denominator is the same. Our denominator is 40, so we can go ahead and subtract. Our answer will also have a denominator of 40. So now we subtract 11 from 21. 21 minus 11 is 10. Wow, 10/40. Are you looking at that and thinking you can put that in simpler terms? You can divide both by 10. The 0 at the end is kind of a good clue. Hopefully you notice that right away. Whatever you do to one part of the fraction, you have to do exactly the same thing to the other side of the fraction to keep it even or equal. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. 40 divided by 10 is 4. The answer to the problem is 10/40, or in simpler terms, 1/4. That's it. Check your denominator when you are adding or subtracting fractions. If that denominator is the same, you're good to go. If you have questions, come and join my support. Hang on. There we go. If you have questions, come and join my 1 o'clock support time or email me, give me a call. You can text me if you have that capability as well. I'm here to support you. I hope this was an easier lesson for you. All right. Bye.